It's Magic Mail time. Welcome back to the channel. You know me, Jason, aka Tattoo Travel Dad. Today we've got something a little bit special. It's on the tech side of things. Let's show you what it is. I was fortunate enough to have ArtSaber's, a lightsaber company, send me this magic mail. Let's grab the box and get into what they sent. It's heavy. There it is. I did go ahead and open the top. Check this out. Look at that case right off the bat. May the force be with you. That's pretty cool. It's actually made out of a nice sturdy material, and on the back you got that ArtSaber logo. I think it's time to open it up. The minute you open this case with those pop open locks, you know that this is a good product. It's got everything you need to put your lightsaber together. Let's dig into it and see if we can build this thing right. Starting with some of the boring stuff that comes in the case, you do have a manual to help you operate your lightsaber properly. You've got your screws that you need for making adjustments along with the appropriate tool that comes in there. It does come with a lightsaber stand. Maybe we'll put it up there before the end of the video. And then last but not least, you got your power cord and USB for making any necessary updates and charging it. Let's get to the cool part now. This is the crusher design that they offer. It comes in two parts in the case, so once you attach it, you will have your full-size hilt. Now let's go ahead and attach the blade. This is the standard blade length that they send with your saber. You can pick your blade size, so if you've got little ones, it is possible to go with something a little bit shorter so it's easy to maintain and carry around the parks if you happen to be taking it to Galaxy's Edge at Disney World. But for now, let's see what this thing actually looks like lit up. This is the normal steady mode. Let's take a look. Yes, you have to do that violent shake every time it powers up. It doesn't actually do anything, it just makes it look awesome. So here is our steady purple blade. Let's see if we can make it change colors. Alright, so it's now in a color changing mode. Hopefully you can see the cast color changing. We've got blue currently. It's supposed to be able to click one time and hold the color that we're on. Let's wait till it gets to maybe red? Actually this white's pretty bright. Let's do it. Alright, so let's see. I should have stopped. We should have a steady white light now. So it turns out there are 5 different blade effects. This one is called Unstable. You can see it's got that strobe effect to it, like your lightsaber is glitching out. Ooh, we need to get this thing in the dark. Did I forget to mention that it's got a rainbow blade mode? Let's turn these lights off. Don't worry, I'm still here. Let's see this thing. Ready? That is so cool. You know we're gonna use this for some incredible photos. We keep just finding new features. Apparently this is Candy Blade. Check this out. And if you listen, it has an amazing sound profile too. I can't make this up. We keep just finding stuff, new features as we're going. Watch this.
The teacher.
The second. So with it pointed down, it actually has a motion control that changes the audio tunes for you. So that will adjust what the lightsaber sounds like and the different sound effects that it plays when you're messing around with swinging and cracking in a battle format.
Hunter ignition.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Watch this. Come here. It's got a blaster blade.
Oh no, it's a Sith.
Not for long. Oh, now it's pink. Do you hear the sound effects though?
Now it's blue.
Yeah, it's on a cycle. Oh, what do you think of the candy blade, dude?
My turn?
No, not your turn. This one's Dad. You've got your own. Should we blast him?
Oh no. It's a wand!
Definitely worth getting the Xenoblade. That gives you all of this extra feature in the light aspect of it. You can hear the cool sound effects, and we already kind of went through some of the incredible features this has. Let's head back into the house and wrap it up. This thing is so incredible. ArtSaber really has put a lot of technology into it. The hilt handle is all metal, very professionally done. I love that it is not a Star Wars replica saber. They do offer those as well, so if you're looking for an Anakin match, they have those ones. They're a little bit more expensive. I like this one because it's unique, and I'm gonna stylize it over the next couple of weeks and added it into a cosplay look. But if you want to pick one up before the holiday season for yourself, make sure you check the link. It is in the video profile in the information, so that way you can place an order with ArtSaber. Thank you to them for sending this one out so we can check it out. Now we're gonna wrap this video, but you know we're gonna show back up with this at Galaxy's Edge inside Disney's Hollywood Studios. We'll see you in the next one.